causes of urbanisation is what I'm going to be talking about in this video segment. Cities are growing. The world's population is growing. We investigated some of the reasons for this last week, and one of the main ones is better healthcare. Better healthcare means fewer people die from disease and accidents. Child mortality rates are a good indicator of how good the healthcare of a country is. Child mortality rates are calculated by counting the number of children who die before their 5th birthday out of every 1,000 children who are born. You can find the data on child mortality rates for your country and use this for evidence of the causes of urbanisation. Reduced child mortality rates means more children live to adulthood. This means the population of a country will be increasing.